Hello, I'm Harald Möller and I'm CSO at MAQ. MAQ is a Swedish company and we have invented a new solution for dampening tools. So, what's so special about dampening tools from MAQ? The special thing is that we have developed a self-tuned mass damper that adjusts itself to the CNC machining and process. For example, I want to show you the smallest tool, mass damped tool actually in the world. It's 6 mm and we can also provide you with different sizes as you see here. The polymer that we use in the mass damper is adjusting itself to the frequency in the machine process. This means that you can change the clamping or the parameters in the process and still have the same dampening. Our vision is simplifying machining, which allows you to continue the process without stopping to tune and still improve quality.